You may have your standard security camera system, but how about a cheap, simple, noisy system that can deter people from approaching your decorations? Check it out. I decided to put a couple of my creations early, 1 month before Halloween, and I feel a little safer because I have figured out a little alarm system. So essentially, it's, how do you call this? A shaker connected to a $20 motion detector. And my little guy Charlie is connected to this. Because that's the creation I want to protect, right? So what happens when I go in front of it? He starts moving, and the alarm starts sounding. Let's see how sensitive it is. I approach.